can't wait to go outside and play all day. Let's just go outside. Is that rain? Okay, yeah, that's rain. Are you kidding me? It said it was gonna be sunny today.
Hey, Tails, what you up to?
Go away, Knuckles. Can't you see I'm upset?
What's wrong, huh? What's wrong?
Get off me. It was supposed to be sunny outside today. I was gonna go outside and play around, and it's raining.
It is not raining, Tails. I'll show you. Look, no rain. Oh. What?
See, I told you, Knuckles.
Well, here, let's turn on the weather.
There we go.
And on. Hello, everyone. I am your host, Killer Stanley. Let's get right into the weather.
Well, we said it was going to be sunny yesterday, but we lied just to mess with you. yeah, it's actually raining outside. Yeah. How's that, huh?
Well, we can, play a board game or something.
Knuckles, the absolute last way I want to spend my day is playing a board game with you. Goodbye.
What? You're not even gonna help me eat this? Well, more for me, I guess.
Gosh, rain is so dumb. Who even invented rain?
Tails.
What? Somebody say my name.
Tails, you must not anger the rain gods.
Who are you?
Just a milk carton.
Okay, why are you talking to me about rain gods?
When you spend your days looking out of a trash bag, you have to find some way to keep yourself interested.
Okay, good for you. What does this have to do with me?
I don't know.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna keep walking, so, yeah. That blasted fool. Rain god, that is the dumbest thing I've ever... Ow.
We are here today to celebrate not just the death, but the life of Miles Tails Prower.
Who was the idiot that made this awake?
He was a good man.
Seriously, like, who planned this thing? Who made this awake?
I am distraught.
How could this happen? I don't know. I'm a fork. Guys, I'm not dead. Be gone, spirit. Ow.
I warned you.
Oh, is this about the rain god thing? Look, this doesn't have anything to do with some kind of supernatural force. They're just dumb. Whatever. Roll credits if we have to. I just want to get this episode over with.